garage for many years, served its purpose, but time to go.
Sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is our song. With joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound. Our days are their town. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On they send on that end their joyful tone to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is our song. With joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound. Our days are their town. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On they send on that end their joyful tone to every home. Ding dong, ding dong. Christmas parties, was I good or was I naughty? Funny hats and songs are gaudy. Susie kissed about everybody. Pollyanna, who is Anna? Old lady, perfume from Nana. Gross white chocolate, no one likes eggnog. But I could get a stocking full of coal and a lumpy fruit cake. I don't care if there's no cookies on the plate. Underwear and socks and a sweater that I hate. An empty bank account, I'll think all of that is great. As long as I spend Christmas time with you. Standing in this line forever, driving in this awful weather. Fight me in the parking lot. The Grinch just stole my parking spot. Buying gifts you think will rock, but they would rather have the box. Scroogey boss's paycheck's late, eggnog. But I could get a stocking full of coal and a lumpy fruit cake. I don't care if there's no cookies on the plate. Underwear and socks and a sweater that I hate. An empty bank account, I'll think all of that is great. As long as I spend Christmas time with you. He checks it once and checks it twice. At third I'm doomed, cause I ain't nice. Santa thinks I'm cold as ice, it's true. But I could get a stocking full of coal and a lumpy fruit cake. I don't care if there's no cookies on the plate. Underwear and socks and a sweater that I hate. An empty bank account, I'll think all of that is great. As long as I spend Christmas time with you. Christmas earrings were so much fun to make. Ornaments, I mean. They are still for sale on the NNKH website. Get them while you can. Limited supply. Again, they're from Chris's old garage that we demolished this year, so it's kind of cool. It's a piece of our home going into yours. They're not perfect, but they're kind of cute, right? Thanks again for all your support on my channel and Chris's channel, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.